What's going on, guys? In this video we are going to take a look at increment operators in Java. So first I'm going to import scanner. For that, to import scanner, I put import java.util.scanner, and then I introduce a class public class. Since I have created the class using coffee, the name coffee, so I'm going to put the name right here, coffee, and then inside of the curly bracket we put the main function, that is public static void main. Inside of this main we put string arg and a square bracket, and after that I put a curly bracket. Inside of this curly bracket I'm going to put scanner Taliban is equal to new scanner, and I put system.in, and here integer coffee. I create the integer type of variable. I name this one as coffee, and let's equal this. Let's put a value for this one. Let's say it's 5, and after that I create another integer type of variable, bas, and that's equal to 18. Now to do the increment operators, what we have to do is we have to put a plus. You can do the pre-increment and post-increment. Now let's see the difference after this. First I'm going to do the pre-increment operator. To do the pre-increment operator, what we do is we put double plus sign in front of whatever variable we are trying to do the increment for. Here I'm going to do the increment for this coffee, so I put plus coffee right here, coffee, and after that to get the output I put system.out print line coffee. Okay, now that's it. Now let's go ahead and compile and run this one. Okay, compile and run. Now this is giving us 6 because coffee was initially 5. When we do the increment, it became 6. Now we can do this one in another way. Just we can get rid of this one. Instead of doing like this, you can directly put the plus here in the bracket. You can put the plus right here. It's going to do the same thing. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Now you can see we get the 6 right here. And same like that, you can do the decrement minus in both way. Decrement is minus. So 4. Now this is for pre-increment. Now you can also do the post-increment. To do the post-increment, what you have to do is you have to do plus, but if you do the post-increment, it doesn't appear right away. Now if I run this one, I should get the same 5, because since this is a post-increment, it doesn't do the increment right away. So you will see we will get the same answer as 5. So to see the real effect, what you have to do is if we introduce coffee after this again, now you will see it's gonna print out 5. Okay, there's a error showing up. I have to put system out again. Okay, copy, paste it right here. Now if I see what's the new value, initially it was 5, now it turned into 6 after that. Okay, that's the increment operator, post increment, and after that it's changed. Now same as that, you can do the multiplication and division. Like for example, if you want to increment 5 altogether, what you have to do is coffee and plus equal to 5, and if you put it and run it like this, now you will see that gives us 10. And same like that, you can do the multiplication. To do the multiplication, we put asterisk. So 5 times 5, it should give us 25. Now you can see 25. You can do the subtraction, you can do the division, all of the things you can do like this. Okay, and that's all about increment, decrement, and all these operators. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. And if you're trying to learn Java, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And also, if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.